Stop payments. For checks that have been issued and have been lost, stolen, never presented for payment or are over 90 days old, please reach out to the DOE Banking at schools.nyc.gov to place a stop payment. You may want to reach out to the vendor or person who you issued the check to and let them know that a stop payment will be placed if they do not present the check for payment by a certain date. DOE Banking will send you the stop payment request form for you to complete. After you complete the form, email it back to DOE Banking. You will be notified of the date the stop payment was placed, and you can enter that date in the stop payment date column. Column M. Now let's look at row 10, check number 1544. This check has received an error message to contact the banking team. This check was not presented for payment and has aged out. As you can see, all the information for this check was entered except the stop payment date. Once you receive the date from the banking team, you may enter the date in column M. Voided checks. As all with transactions, voided checks must be entered into the cash journal. Enter all information for the voided check. Let's look at row 11. All the information has been entered for check number 1545. This check should be voided because it was not given to the vendor. Since most checks are voided on the same date they are issued, enter the date in the stop payment date, column M.